Hello and welcome to 403 Charwood Lane, located here in West Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and also has 2 bonus rooms located upstairs, fully fenced in, and also has a wooded deck as well. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard of the home. I'm actually on the deck right now, but it is fenced in. You have your deck, and also that's the door that leads into the dining room portion of the kitchen. You have your wooded area back here, but also a gate behind there. And also you have this side area over here as well. All right, let's make our way back to the deck and back through that door right there that leads to the dining room portion of the kitchen. All right, we are now inside the home. Here you have your living room area. You have your laminate hardwood flooring, your fireplace. Also, you have your ceiling fan and staircase that is right off of the foyer. As soon as you come in through the front door, that hallway right there leads to the bedrooms and bath. We'll get to that in one moment. We're gonna make our way around here to the dine-in portion of the kitchen. And also you have your kitchen straight ahead. You have your white stove, smooth top stove, refrigerator, also your cabinets right here as well. Very nice countertops. Right here to the right, you have your laundry room and your washer and dryer connections. That's the door that I spoke about previously in the video that leads to the back deck and backyard. We're going to come back through the living room, come down the hall, closet to the left and also to the right. You have your thermostat right there to the right. First door on the left is the bathroom. You have your single vanity right here. Also push button toilet and stand-up shower. Right across from that bathroom, you have bedroom number 1. It is carpeted. Also, you have your window that looks out into the front of the neighborhood. And you have your double door closet right here to the left. Coming out of bedroom number 1, making it right, you have bedroom number 2 straight ahead. Same style as bedroom number 1, a little bit bigger. You have your carpet, you have your window right here, and also your double door closet as well. And we're going to come out of here. Usually I save the master bedroom for last, but since it's down here on the first floor and the 2 bonus rooms upstairs, I'm gonna go ahead and enter the master. You have your carpet in here as well. Pretty good size master bedroom. You have your double door closet, just like bedroom 1 and 2. And straight ahead, you have your single vanity right here. And this door leads to the toilet and shower. All right, we're going to make our way back through here. And also also back through the hallway as well. And we're going to go upstairs and view both bonus rooms up here. All right, we are now upstairs. First door to the right, you have bonus room number 1. Pretty spacious. You have your window right here that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. Also, you have a second thermostat right there on the wall. And the bonus room, the second bonus room right across the hall, is pretty much about the same size as well. All right, you have your window right here that looks out into the front. Also, you have your closet right there. And you have your door that we just came out of. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 403 Charwood Lane, and that's located in West Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 bonus room upstairs, which could be used for additional bedrooms. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Any questions that you have, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.